So I've been doing a review on the new GoPro 7 Hero Black, and so far I really like it. Day before yesterday I was up in the mountains, not mountains, maybe I guess you'd call them the hills. They're about 1,000 feet up, I think was the elevation when I was up there testing out the drone, the Mavic 2 Zoom. But I was kind of doing both. I was flying the Mavic, and then I had the GoPro on the time-lapse mode, which uses the Hypersmooth technology they added on to the Hero 7 Black, and I was impressed. I was really impressed. I mean, the road was bouncy. I had cut through a side road that was gravel, and I mean, it's bouncing all over the place, but it looked great. I mean, they say basically it looks like it would be on a gimbal, and it did. It was very smooth. My Yukon was bouncing all over the place. I was hitting potholes. It was very bouncy. I mean, it's a gravel road, for goodness sakes. And it looked great. So I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. So I've been also using the Hero 7 Black just in handheld mode. I'm not even having it in a case, just kind of holding it right in my hand, and curious to see how well this works also, because just handheld, as a lot of people have been saying, they're starting to use it now, provides a whole another level of portability and convenience. You don't have the larger handheld stick to carry around, you don't have the large case on it, so curious to see how well it does. I mean, for people who are saying they could use it for vlogging, just handheld mode is a significant improvement over a large camera. Even if you had a little smaller compact camera with a flip-up lens, it's still not as portable as a GoPro. I mean, this thing's tiny in your hand. You could go really anywhere, just toss it in your pocket, and really wouldn't bring that much attention to you, which I think is what most people are most interested in when they're vlogging. They're trying to show their daily activities. You don't have to worry about having this gigantic camera. So see how it works.